Hello. Today I'm going to go over my Swingliner V2 with the new swing arm for it. I recently made the swing arm with a swiveling ball joint, and the plunger rod is secured with a set screw on the rod. When you get the machine, I'll just have the plunger rod and the swivel joint here in a bag, and you'll just put it in. I do this just so it doesn't get bent in shipping. I've had a couple incidences with that, so I'm now just going to send it just like this. So what you do is you just pop that in there, and you'll see that the hole in that swivel joint lines up with a slot on the swing arm. Then you'll take your plunger rod and stick it up in there and just have it so it comes through a little bit past the swivel joint there. And then you're going to take the 1.5 millimeter Allen key that I provide with the machine and tighten it down. Don't tighten it too tight, because if you do, you could strip out that screw and then you're going to have a little bit of a mess on your hands. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you have a grip, say a T-Tech grip or something, and it comes with a larger hole in the grip, you may have a plunger bar that's supposed to go with it that has a bigger plunger tip. If you do, all you got to do is cut them to 3 inches long. Just cut it off. So, you know, there's 3 inches there. These are right about 3 inches long. Just cut them off, and then it just works just fine. Just take that one out, put this one in, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching.